Hey everyone, welcome back to Global Studio YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a high resolution JPEG file from any AutoCAD drawing using the publish to web jpeg.pc3 plotter. This is perfect if you want a crisp zoom friendly images for presentations or web uploads. So let's dive in. Step 1. Set up the plotter. Open your AutoCAD drawing. Go to the plot command. In the printer or plotter section, click the name drop down. Select publish to web jpeg.pc3. Step 2. Create a custom paper size. Click properties next to the plotter name. Go to custom paper sizes and click add. In the wizard, choose start from scratch and click next. Set your desired resolution 3840 into 2160 pixels. Click next, then rename the paper size to 4K image. Click next again, then finish. You will now see 4K image listed under custom paper sizes. Click OK. Step 3. Configure plot settings. Back in the plot dialog, choose 4K image paper size. Under plot area, select window and choose the area to be converted. Enable two checkboxes to set plot scale and to center the plot. Under plot style table, choose none to plot in color image. When prompted, click yes to apply this style to all layouts. Click OK, name your file and then hit save. Step 4. Review your output. AutoCAD will process the plot job. Once done, open the JPEG file. Now you will see a crisp high resolution image, no pixelation even when zoomed in. And that's it. We have successfully created a high quality JPEG from AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.